Yeah. Elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'm just going to start by showing you all everything I used in the video to organize my bathroom. If you look closely at these butterfly stickers, you can see they are covered with nylons. So what you have to do is like use your fingers or maybe a needle to peel them off carefully. Oh yeah, and this is day 2 of my 100 days of YouTube videos challenge, so please make sure you subscribe. So to place the raffia basket on the wall, I'm using the adhesive hooks to just hook the raffia basket, and then I'm going to remove the sticker or the nylon covering the adhesive hook, and then place it on the wall. You know, the funny thing that happened is immediately after this video, the raffia basket fell on the floor because it is actually too heavy for the adhesive hooks. So I'll advise you to actually drill it to the wall or get something else that you can drill to the wall and then put the raffia basket on top. But I just added this part of the video just to give you all a little inspiration on how to decorate your bathroom if you want to. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm actually placing it on the wall and it looks so cute, but I even added extra adhesive tape and it still didn't stay. Anyways, on to the next one. Okay, time to place the bathroom shower caddy on the wall. I'm actually using the adhesive glues, the adhesive hooks, because I didn't want to drill anything to the wall. I'm just putting the adhesive hooks in the holes to connect the shower caddy together. Anyways, once I'm done putting the adhesive hooks in the holes, I'm going to gum it to the wall just like you can see. So I was trying to do the second one and it wasn't as easy as the first one because I'd already placed the first one on the wall, so it was quite difficult, I won't lie, but I was able to do it. I also noticed something, that the hook, I had to look for a smaller one and then it went through, but I noticed it was not going through the hole for the, is it basket they call it? I don't know what to say, but you understand. So I tried using my scissors to make the hole wider and it still didn't work, and I don't like stress, I beg. So I just placed it on the hook and it looked very okay and no issues. Okay, so time for my mirror. Actually, what caused the mirror to look burnt, according to my friend, is the glue I used for the mirror. The patches you can see, it's the glue that is reflecting from the back of the mirror. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyways, I'm just going to use these mirror like sticker butterflies to cover the patches and make it look more presentable, you understand? So that's it. So this is my mirror. I'm almost done. Wow, I love it so much. Oh, I'm a solution baby indeed, yes, because over here we look for solutions after we are done complaining. Woo. So yeah, it looks like art. I love it so much. So this is what everything looks like. You can see how beautiful it is. I don't know if I should add more butterflies, or I'm okay with these butterflies. So yeah, so that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm so happy, y'all. You have no idea. You actually have no idea. Yeah. Thank you. And have a lovely day.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.